further problems. For each of the following shapes, write an expression for the area using brackets. Then expand the bracket and simplify your answers. The first question, we have a rectangle here. This is t plus 11. That's one of the, this is like the length. Let's say this is like the breadth. T plus 11 is like the length. And we have the breadth as t plus 1. Though we don't know the value of t. So any of these could be the length or the breadth. But looking at 11 here, and we're having here to be 1. So we can say that this is the length and this is the breadth. Now, for us to find the area, what is area of rectangle? That is length times breadth. So what do? Area with bracket. We are going to write t plus 11 multiplied by what? T plus 1. That is the answer. Length times breadth. So area without bracket now. Without bracket. It means you are going to expand this. Expanding this, what are we going to have? Equals to what? From here, we pick the first one, we say t into bracket what? The second one, t plus 1. Then we have used this to multiply everything here. We now use this now. Plus 11 into t plus 1. Now, what do we have? We now have t times t. What do we have? T squared. T times 1, we have what? T. Plus 11 times t, what do we have? T, that's 11t. Now, 11 times 1, that is 11. Now, t is the same thing as 1t, don't forget. So we now have our final answer as what? T squared plus 1t plus 11t. That is what? 12t plus 1. That is the solution to problem 1. That is problem A, the first part. Now let's look at the second problem. For the second problem, you can see here that we have more than one simple shape. If you break this. Now I can break this. I'm having something like figure 7 shape. So we can break this from here. Breaking it into 2, you can see. We now have first one, figure 1. Figure 1. And we have the second one, figure 2. That's the second shape. Now looking at this, from here to here, this is P. It means here to here will also be P. This is going to be P. So if from here to here is P plus 3. Now, and here is just P. This is P. And we have from here to here to be P plus 3. So for us to find this side, we need to get the value of this side. This side. That is from here to here only. How do we get the value of this? What is it going to be? Because from here to here is P plus 3. But only here is what? Is P. Only this place is P. So it means for us to find this is going to be what? The whole of P plus 3, then minus this P. Because here is just P, but we don't know this side. But from the beginning here to the end here is what? P plus 3. So for us to get that, we need to what? We say P plus 3, everything from here. Let's say this is A, B, C, D, then E, F. You can say something like that. So we know that AB is what? P plus 3. And AE is what? AE is just P. And we want to find BE. Now, from here, that is, or from that place, we know that AB is equal to what? From here. AB is what? AE plus what? Plus BE. Can you see? So I want to find BE. Make BE the subject. It means this is AB minus what? By the time this comes to this side, you have AE is equals to BE. And what is AB? AB is P plus 3. Then, what is AE? AE is P. So, in that case, equals to BE. And that's what we are looking for. You can see P plus 3 minus P. So, P minus P is what? That's 0. It means this is equals to 3. It means that BE equals to 3. Now, for us to find the area, that means we are going to have plus in the middle. Because we have two shapes now. We have two simple shapes. The first figure, looking at the first figure, this is the length. The length is what? P plus 7. The breadth is what? P. So, in this case, area of figure 1, length times breadth. So, the length, P plus 7, multiplied by the breadth, which is what? P. That's the first figure. The second figure now, what is the length of the second figure? The length of the second figure is what? From here to here. This place is longer than this. You can see. This place is longer than this. So the second figure, the length is what? Is 3. Then, bracket what? You can write 3, bracket the breadth. Length times breadth. This is 2. So that is the solution of the first part of this second problem. Now, area without bracket. It means you are going to expand the result we have here. How do we expand the result from here? We say P times P. P squared. Now, P times 7. What do we have? 7P. Plus, what are we having here? 3 times 2. What are we having? That is 6. And this is the same thing as P squared. Still the same thing. 7P plus 6. That is a solution to the problem. Thank you.